The reason for Alberta farmers to get involved in farming for our land, led by the Canadian Fertilizer Institute, is it offers them an opportunity to demonstrate their stewardship, as well as show the economic value in using 4R systems in their agronomic practices on the farm.
Our project, which is based on 4R nutrient stewardship, the right source of fertilizer or other nutrients at the right rate, the right time, and the right place, is all about using fertilizers more efficiently. And that's good not only for the pocketbook of the farmer, but also for the environment.
The Farming for Our Land project is a fantastic project that we are very interested in investing in alongside of the Climate Change and Emissions Management Corporation. Alberta Innovates Biosolutions is a government of Alberta agency. Our mandate is to invest in the kinds of things that will make our agriculture and food industries better than they are today, that they'll be competitive, that they'll be profitable. And clearly this project is one of those areas that what can we do? We can either increase the value of our products, or we can decrease the cost of production, not just economically, but from an environmental sense as well. And this is just the perfect fit when we think about a couple of our priorities around ecosystem services and around sustainable production.
The CCMC, or the Climate Change and Emissions Management Corporation, is an organization which provides funding to help address greenhouse gas emissions broadly from the province of Alberta. And as a part of that mandate, they decided about 7 months ago to apply funding into the area of biological greenhouse gas emissions and its management. And that's the program under which this particular project, Farming for Our Land, is the first project to receive funding. It's a particularly important project because we know that nitrous oxide emissions associated with normal fertilization of crops in order to stimulate plant growth is not only an intrinsic and important part of farming practice, but it also generates greenhouse gas emissions. And so we're looking for ways to make sure that the emissions that are going to occur are optimized so that we get the best value out of the fertilizer with the most reduced emissions.
The whole supply chain wants to see sustainability on the farm and is pulling in that direction. So, and the nitrous oxide emission reduction program, or NERP, in Alberta is just one example of where farmers can use 4R nutrient stewardship to then participate in the ecological goods and services market. I mean, it really is a good way to organize their decisions, and that's what it's really about. It's about a farmer and their agronomist, making better management decisions about nutrients on the farm.
I think Alberta farmers, Canadian farmers in general, are great stewards of their resources, of their lands, of their businesses, of the activities that they do within their communities. And I think this fits perfectly. I think sometimes producers are looking for tools that they can more effectively manage the resources that they have available to them. And I think the Farming for Land project is one of those, in a toolbox. It provides one of those real opportunities for them to do the right thing as far as optimal use of fertilizer. Of course, bringing down their costs, but also making sure that the environment, their community is well maintained, not just today, but in the future as well.